Pastel is a really clever app that lets you save colour palettes that you like. With a new update, you can then turn these colour palettes into your own custom one-of-a-kind wallpapers. So here's how it all works. I'll open up the Pastel app, and you can see here there's lots of different colour palettes that come with the app by default. If I press the plus button in the top corner, however, I can make my own colour palette. I'll call mine Wallpaper 1. By pressing the plus button again in the top corner, you can then add your own colours into this palette. Now you can have as many or as few as you like, and there are lots of different ways to choose those colours. At the top here you've got some different options, but I quite like using the colour circle and using my finger to drag and choose the colours I want. I'm going to choose some kind of bluey green and purple colours, and I'll put an accent of orange in here as well to make it really pop. As you're choosing your colours, you can select the brightness at the bottom as well, and as you start adding them to your palette, you'll see a live preview at the bottom of how that colour works with the other colours you've chosen already, to make sure they harmonise nicely. While I'm doing this, it's a good time to mention that if you want to learn more about how to make the most of your iPhone and your iPad, then please do subscribe to my channel down below. I'm making hundreds of quick tip videos to help you get the most out of your technology. Okay, that bit over. When you've chosen the colours in your palette, you can drag and drop to reposition them if you'd like to. This is something you can come back to and explore later when you start making wallpapers, because the order the colours go in affect how the wallpaper turns out. Now I've got my lovely colour palette here. I'm going to press the export button at the bottom of my screen, and then I'm going to select Create Wallpaper. From there we're going to get a horizontally striped picture with all the colours that you've chosen. But if you press the settings button at the bottom, you're going to see different options for how your wallpaper can look. There are 7 options at the moment, including waves and dunes and ball pit. As you tap on these and press Generate at the bottom, you'll get a live preview of that wallpaper. And better still, every time you press Generate, it will create a new random version of that same template. That means you can really explore this and fine-tune it to get the exact wallpaper you want. I could go down and reverse the colours, add grain, and I could remember to generate more if I wanted a different layout. But I'm actually really happy with how this looks. So I'm going to come off the editor and then press the export button again. This time we'll save the image. And that's it! Our new wallpaper is saved in the Photos app, it will be scaled automatically to fit the device you're making it on, and then you can add it to your lock screen to create a stunning effect just like this. You can now make unlimited wallpapers using any colours you like, and you can really fine-tune them using Pastel.